Welcome to Dosign.
Hello,
Hello, teacher.
good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you, teacher?
I'm very well. What is your name?
My name is Jurassic.
Okay. What is your first name?
My first name is Jurassic.
Okay. What is your middle name?
My middle name is Josephine. My last name is Costa.
Where are you from?
I'm from Angola.
What nationality are you?
Angola.
Okay, great. Do you have brothers and sisters?
Yes, I have.
Okay. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 3 brothers, 4 sisters.
Do you love your siblings?
Yes, I love it.
What is your job?
Baker.
Where do you live?
I live in compound.
Who do you live with?
My parents,
Okay.
my siblings, neighbors, and my mother.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is Coke.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is C4 Pedro.
Where is C4 Pedro from?
C4 Pedro is from Angola.
What is your favorite food?
I don't have favorite food.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 1 language.
Do you speak Portuguese?
Yes.
Okay. Do you speak French?
No.
Okay. Do you speak Ubuntu?
No.
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 Okay. Great,
I
great.
don't understand.
You don't understand. Are you looking at me?
Yes, teacher.
Where is your brother Osvaldo?
School, teacher.
At school?
Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Okay.